哎，安娜，今天是5·1劳动节，你在家干嘛呢？安娜，今天是5·1劳动节，你在家干嘛呢？ Anna, today is Labor Day. What are you doing at home? 5·1劳动节 International Workers' Day, Labor Day. 我在打扫卫生呢。5·1劳动节你还劳动呢？5·1劳动节你还劳动啊？ You still work on Labor Day? 外边人山人海的，我才不出去呢。外边人山人海的，我才不出去呢。People outside are crowded, so I won't go out. 人山人海 Huge crowds of people, sea of people. 好吧，那我们一起祝大家5·1劳动节快乐！祝大家5·1劳动节快乐！